In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI for free. If you're looking to delve into the world of AI-generated content, whether it be images, videos, or designs, Leonardo AI is a versatile tool that allows you to explore these creative possibilities without incurring any cost. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Leonardo AI's official application site. This is your destination for all things related to generating AI-driven creations. Once you're on the website, the next step is simple. Locate the Sign In button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the page. Selecting this will prompt you to log in. To continue, click on the option that allows you to sign in using Google. This simplifies the login process if you already have a Google account, making access to Leonardo AI seamless and quick. At this point, you'll need to select your Google account. If you're someone who occasionally has multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one you'd like to associate with Leonardo AI. Once you have selected your account, you'll be directed right into the application. Now you can explore all the creative tools Leonardo AI has to offer. Within the platform, you have a variety of AI tools available at your fingertips. These tools can assist you in generating anything from stunning images to intricate video content. Pick the one that suits your creative project needs. For instance, if you select an image generation tool, you will be guided to a prompt interface where creativity meets technology. In the prompt box, you have the flexibility to describe the image you'd like the AI to create for you. Be creative and detailed in your description to get the best results, as the AI draws precisely from the information you provide. Once you've composed your prompt, the exciting part comes next. Hit Generate. This triggers the AI to start crafting your desired creation based on the information you've given. While Leonardo AI provides these functionalities free of charge, it's important to keep an eye on the token cost associated with each generation. Each time you generate content, tokens are consumed, and these can vary based on the complexity of your project. However, Leonardo AI generously offers a daily allowance of 150 tokens, ensuring that you can explore and experiment without overwhelming concerns. This daily quota refreshes, so it's all about making the most out of your daily usages. By following these steps, you'll be creating unique digital content with ease and efficiency, all thanks to Leonardo AI's user-friendly and comprehensive platform. Enjoy experimenting and pushing the boundaries of your imagination. Absolutely free. Happy creating.